Exercise 1.5, question number 1. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So, first, to understand this question, we need to know rational multiplied by irrational. Rational multiplied by rational is always rational. Rational plus rational is always rational. Rational plus irrational is irrational. Rational minus irrational is irrational. Similarly, rational multiplied by irrational is irrational, and rational divided by irrational is irrational. Similarly, irrational multiplied by irrational is either rational or irrational. Here both is possible, rational or irrational, in case when irrational and irrational numbers are multiplied. Similarly, if we divide irrational divided by irrational, may be rational or irrational. So this depends, this can be determined by us whether the given number is rational or irrational. Question number 1, first part of question number 1 is 2 minus root under 5. This cannot be simplified more. Therefore, this is rational minus irrational. Rational minus irrational, which is always irrational. So this number is irrational. Second part of question number 1 is 3 plus root under 23 minus root under 22. We may try to solve this question, simplify this question. So 3 plus root under 23 minus root under 23. These two are of opposite sign and having same magnitude. Therefore, will be cancelled. And therefore, the answer is 3, which is rational number. In this case, the answer of this question, second part, is rational. Third part of question number 1 is 2 root under 7 upon 7 root under 7. So this root under 7 is multiplied by 2 and this root under 7 is multiplied with 7. So root under 7 get cancelled. The final answer is 2 by 7, which is clearly rational number. Rational. Similarly, fourth part of question number 1, which is 1 upon root 2. This cannot be get simplified more. So here rational divided by irrational. Rational divided by irrational is always irrational. So this answer is irrational. Yeah, irrational. The fifth part of question number 1 is 2 into pi. 2 pi. 2 pi means 2 multiplied by pi. We know from earlier discussion that pi is irrational number and irrational number is multiplied by rational number. Here, property is written, rational multiplied by irrational is always irrational. So 2 pi is irrational number.
Question number 2 from exercise 1.5. The first part question is simplify each of the following expression. And the first part of question is 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Consider distributive property then this first term get multiplied by the both terms. So 3 multiplied by 2 plus root under 2 plus this plus is written here, and this root 3 multiplied with the same both the terms. So root under 3 multiplied by 2 plus root under 2. Now again use distributive property. 3 multiplied by 2 as well as 3 multiplied by root under 2. The answer is 3 2 is 6 plus 3 under root 2. Similarly, root 3 multiplied by 2 is 2 root 3.
Root 3 multiplied by root 2 is equal to root 6. No any terms are like terms, so the answer cannot be simplified more. Therefore, this is the answer. Second part of question number 2 is 3 plus root under 3 multiplied by 3 minus root under 3. We can apply here identity a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So this 3 plus root 3 is assumed to be a and this root 3 as b. So 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 is treated as 3 and a is equal to 3 and b is equal to root 3. So put the value of a, which is 3, and put the value of b, which is root 3, and a square. Now next is 3 square, which is 9, and root 3 square is 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So simplified answer of part 2 is 6. Third part of question number 2, exercise 1.5, root under 5 plus root under 2 and whole square. Split it or expand it using a plus b whole square. So write the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Feed root under 5 at the place of a and root under 2 at the place of b and expand it. So a is root under 5 square plus 2, a is root under 5 and b is root under 3 plus b is root under 3 square. The square of root under 5 is 5. This square and square root get cancelled. And we suppose that this square root and this square get cancelled out. So here is 5 and here is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 root under 5 into root under 3 is root under 15. This is the simplified answer for part 3 of question number 2. Next part is 4, which is 5 minus root 2, root under 5 minus root 2 multiplied by root under 5 plus root 2. In same way, we assume it a and root 2 as b, so it is a minus b. Again, root 5 is assumed to be a, so I write here a and here b. A minus b multiplied by a plus b, the identity is a square minus b square. Now, in question, if a is root under 5 and b is root under 2, then answer is root under 5 square and root under 2 square. A square and root under simultaneously get cancelled out in both the terms. So answer is 5 minus 2, which is 3. To understand that pi is irrational, think a circle whose circumference is given and diameter is also given. Divide the circumference by diameter, which is termed as pi. If we measure the circumference and diameter of any circle with any device, we cannot get the rational value. It means circumference and diameter itself is irrational. Therefore, their ratio cannot be rational. So we provide approximate value, which is calculated to be approximately as pi, or it is approximately equal to 22/7. Therefore, we can say that there is no contradiction and pi is irrational number. Fourth question from exercise 1.5 represent root under 9 on the number line. To represent root under 9.3 on number line, we take array AX. Now take a point B on AX such that AB is equal to 9.3 centimeter. Take one more point C on same ray such that BC is equal to 1 centimeter. Now taking AC line segment, draw its perpendicular bisector using compass. Now join these two in point of intersection to get midpoint of AC. Let this point is O. Now take as O as center and OA as radius. Draw AC a semicircle. Take point B and draw perpendicular line on B intersecting the semicircle. Let perpendicular at B intersect semicircle at D. Now final step, take BD is equal to radius and mark a arc which is equal to BD on number line which intersect at E. Let it be intersect at E. Now this BC, length BC is equal to root under 9.3, and this is the way to represent root under 9.3 on the number line. Next question number 5, rationalize the denominator. There are 4 questions, 4 parts of question number 5. First part is 1 upon root 2. So to rationalize the denominator, rationalizing factor here is root 2. Multiply root 2 on numerator as well as with the denominator. So numerator 1 multiplied by root 2 is root 2 and root 2 multiplied by root 2 is root under 4, which is ultimately 2. So here denominator becomes rational number. So our rationalization process here completed, and this is our answer. Second part is 1 upon root under 7 minus root under 6. Now here rationalizing factor is same, root under 7, root under 6, but with opposite sign in between root and 7 and root 6, which is plus. Opposite sign of negative is positive, and multiply the same quantity at the numerator and denominator. If we multiply 1 with numerator, this is equal to same root under 7 plus root under 6, while if we multiply denominator, these are different due to different sign, and here identity A minus B into A plus B is applied, which is equal to A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. We have to set root under 7 instead of A and root under 6 instead of B. So root under 6, 7 minus root under 6 multiplied by root under 7 plus root under 6, which is equal to root under 7 square minus root under 6 square. This square root and square get cancelled with each other, and here is 7 minus 6, which is equal to 1. So denominator, the same value of root under 7 minus 6 into root under 7 plus 6 is equal to 1, which can be substituted here. So our denominator gets rationalized, and this is our answer. Next is third part of question number 5, which is equal to 1 by root under 5 plus root under 2. So take here same quantity with negative sign in between root under 5 and root under 2, and multiply the quantity with the numerator as well as denominator. If 1 is multiplied by this quantity remains same. It is root under 5 minus root under 2, while root under 5 plus root under 2, it is a plus b multiplied by a minus b gives a square minus b square. A square minus b square, as we have discussed in earlier question, this root under and root get cancelled out. So answer is root under 5 minus root under 2 divided by 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. This is the answer. Now next question is fourth part of question number 5, which is equal to 1 upon root under 7 minus 2. Now multiply, the rationalizing factor is root under 7 plus 2, which should be multiplied numerator as well as with denominator, which is root under 7 plus root 2. Now numerator is root under 7 plus 2, while denominator multiplied using identity a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Now this is root under 7 plus 2 upon root under 7, root under and a square get cancel out, 7 minus 2 to the 4, 7 minus 4. The final answer is root under 7 plus 2 upon 7 minus 4 is 3. This is our answer.